Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel again. My name is Fahri Adali. Now, and I think you know it. I want to make tutorial design again, but now it's anime design. No, anime design. I think it's take long. Okay, it's okay. 10 minutes, 30 minutes is okay, right? Okay, I think now I like a saw and now I like still in Google saw and Google Chrome and now we search audio audio PNG is a saw character and it's so cool and but we not make our face because it's very hard to make our eyes and we make a flat character like this but it's complete. Nah, I wanna take this. Nah, is I just copy. I don't wanna take make a very memory because my memory is very full. And now we open the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, we know it's Adobe Illustrator and we create new and in web and is actually if you want like this you can, but it's like for you I don't know. And I create and open like that, but I want to create first. It's a mango. Just mango. And now is we paste the pictures and it's a pictures. Now okay, and this I think we make a face if 10 minutes or I think 50 minutes. If much, I can stop the video and part 2. Okay, I know it's face and just hand is not his face because it's very hard. But I think we not make his face. But first thing you make is face or hair. I think face. Nah, look at nah. We make it a flat character because if we need to make a flat character, it's very hard. Oops, I think I can do it. Okay, yes, but I don't know if United States are a bug or not. It's very hard. Mechanism is not like just that not like that, but it's hard. Okay, in Indonesia, use is the I don't know what the English, but in Indonesia, fruit in like water, its name is juice. I forget. I think I know this. I forget what the English, but now we make the hair. I think it is 5 parts. The first is we make a hair, and the second we make his face, and the third we make his clothes. Or I think the part because it's very hard. I make this one and it's not complete. And because I'm lazy, I don't want to make it because if I make this, I'm literally angry because it's like literally in 3 seconds I felt, and now I don't know if I think it's very easy because I just make a hair. I make his hair and his face in my design, and after we okay, nope, nah, I stop share, and now I wanna share my desktop. Oh, I think cannot. I don't know. Other Illustrator, just other Illustrator. I think if you but I cannot give you link other Illustrator. If you say why, because I forget what the link. Is and when my laptop is broke in my LCD, nah, it's that LCD my laptop. Uh, when my laptop is broke, I'm use my sister laptop. The laptop is MacBook too, but the MacBook is MacBook Air. My MacBook is MacBook Pro. And when I don't know how to download Adobe Illustrator, and when I give a segment, I'm not what I'm not I don't know what I'm just beginner to English. I think because if I'm beginner, I cannot make with the English, right? I think I would know. I don't know what the English. I instant English, but I call like rebutan. In Indonesia, call like call is have a many translate like call bisa jadi panggilan, call bisa jadi telepon. But in English, call like what name? Like my name Fahri. You can call me I. In my family, my name is I. I don't know what I call I, but I think now it is in I in 8 years or 4 years. I'm angry and I call I because my name is Fahri, but no, it's I don't care. It's 10 years ago in 2010. It's very long time. I think you watched this in 2030. I think. I know it's 9 years ago, and actually it's 2011, not 2010. And 2010, I'm is 30 years ago. I'm in yes 30. I thought 3 years ago, not 30. 30 is now. At 13 now. 30 is 30, right? If maybe 70 years ago, I'm 30. And now I think it's 2027, at 2037, I'm in 30. Now his hair, do you know, make this design is very hard. But I must try. I if you watch my channel, don't you think my channel is very annoying? Very what like that? I don't know. This channel is anything you just like a segment. Everything video is a segment. Like you can see ceramah. Okay, it's back. How minutes go? Okay, now. Okay. Mm, now we make a note name. But okay, we next. And now we make a note name. But maybe I make part two because the face is literally hard to. But mm, I think we just make. Three segment is just one design, and one design if this design is not like all design. The other design if I have make I'm delete, but this design I have make and I not delete because it's good. It's good pictures, but it's not serious because in my three pictures I have one. This picture is same photo, but I have. Oh, okay, my friend is calling me, but I think I'm recording. But impulse recording. Okay, you wanna help? I don't know one. Wait a minute. No. Okay, next. Okay. Okay. Um, it's very hard. Maybe. Okay. My friend have a group in Indonesia is using WhatsApp, and my friend is just have a group in WhatsApp, and if he and he open the phone, see the phone is like because the notification is very high. No, we cannot. Oh, sorry, I wanna make a face, but why I make hair? Why I make hair? Oh, okay, I want the left. No, 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 comment. Okay, nah, we delete the hair. No, the hair. Okay, okay, what the hair? This is hair. Now I think it's a minute, right? It's not a minute. I can do video in one video. Okay, may kali back to you. Oh, I think it's not 10 minutes. Yeah, it's not 10 minutes. I think the I uh make a simple design. If you want to copy, you can. And if you make like I wanna make a subscribe because it's just like okay now it's with red color. Okay, it's red color. Um, we make if you know what it is. I I think like this. No, 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 no. It's color is red and this white. And now where is now YouTube? Uh, is a black. Okay, subscribe is a subscribe gitu. Okay, now I think it's 10 minutes. My name is Mama. Oh, it's not share screen. 10 minutes, guys. Okay, I make this, but it's not share. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think it's 10 minutes. My name is Muhammad Faidari. Back to you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.